Raining. First time I've seen rain in like 10 days, maybe even 2 weeks. Whew. Had a great run today. Did I say a great run? I was going for a mile. Didn't work out. I got 0.61 miles, which isn't even my longest run ever. But it's good. It was 96 degrees, so I'm pretty happy with it. I got my mileage in today, my 3.25 miles on day 4. Actually, I got 3.42 miles, and the stupid app failed, so I don't have proof. It's like I didn't even go anywhere today. I had no steps today, no mileage whatsoever. But no, I did. But the app failed. It didn't save it. 6 me off. Anyway, day 4, going strong. We're getting some rain. So this sucks to be, I don't think he's out for exercise. We're the guy behind him. 2 people running up the sidewalks. I've been there. Woo, it's windy. This is awesome. It should not be this dark. It's not even 8 o'clock yet. It should not be this dark at all, man. It's some serious cloudage out here. This is cool. Flash bulbs. People are taking pictures with flash bulbs. Or it's lightning. One or the other. Man, it is coming down. It shouldn't be that big of a deal. It's just rain, right? But the thing is, we're in a serious drought right now. I haven't seen rain in like 2 weeks, like I said. This is nuts. Woo! Alright, thanks for watching. Catch you again sometime.